Hello there, welcome to the very first video of Learning Kali Linux video training series. My name is Rasul and I will be your instructor for the rest of this course. Just to give you a quick introduction about myself, my name is Rasul Ghaznavi-Zadeh. I'm an IT and security expert and I have been working in the same category since 1999. The main area of my work: information security architecture, risk management, penetration testing, and so on. And I'm from Sydney, Australia. Let's start with a quick overview about the course. In section 1, we will talk about ethical hacking, what it is, and what you need to know at a high level about it. In section 2, we will review the ethical hacking process. You will learn about the required steps of ethical hacking and what needs to be done and considered in each step. In section 3, we will go through installing required software and building a test lab environment with Kali Linux on a single PC. In section 4, we will talk about the reconnaissance phase, which is the very first step of ethical hacking process. And also we will learn about some useful tools and techniques there. In section 5 and 6, we will go through the second phase of ethical hacking, which is scanning. And we will learn some of the very useful tools available on Kali Linux for scanning. In section 7, we will introduce some of the popular vulnerability scanning tools available on Kali Linux. And also some important penetration and exploitation tools and techniques. In section 8 and the last section, we will expand on exploitation and penetration techniques and tools and introduce some post-exploitation considerations for backdoor connectivity as well. What is recommended to know for this course basically is some level of understanding about Linux and shell and how to use commands. We don't really need that kind of a detailed expertise, but at the high level you need to understand shell and Linux and be able to run commands if needed. You need to have some sort of high level understanding of TCP/IP and IP addressing scheme and some basic knowledge obviously on Windows VirtualBox, because that's what we will be using, and some networking knowledge again about IP addressing and networks and how machines or computers are communicating on the network. After this training, you will be ready to attend another one, which would be mainly the next steps and more advanced steps of penetration testing, which is vulnerability assessment, exploitation techniques, and creating assessment reports and presentation skills basically to the customers.